Across every manufacturing sector, from automotive to food and beverage, intelligent operations are redefining what's possible. The days of isolated systems and reactive problem solving are fading. In their place, we're seeing plants that think, adapt, and improve continuously. And the results? Impressive. Manufacturers that prioritize workflow optimization and adopt advanced technologies are outperforming their peers, showing measurable increases in revenue growth, profit margins, and employee productivity. Intelligent operations aren't just an upgrade, they're a business imperative. Let's start with what's driving this transformation. Leading organizations are investing in automation technology, mobile computers, RFID systems, AI, and machine vision. Each of these tools plays a part in building smarter workflows. Together, they're helping teams improve quality, reduce waste, and accelerate production. In fact, companies implementing intelligent workflows have seen up to a 2.4 percentage point increase in revenue growth and a 1.4 point boost in profitability. That's a competitive advantage that can't be ignored. But intelligent operations aren't just about the machines. They're about empowering people. When manufacturers integrate these technologies, they report an average 19% increase in employee productivity. Why? Because automation doesn't replace human insight, it amplifies it. When workers spend less time troubleshooting and more time problem solving, creativity and innovation flourish on the factory floor. One area seeing particularly strong results is quality control. Machine vision and machine learning systems are catching defects faster than any human eye. They're ensuring that every product leaving the line meets exact specifications. Meanwhile, material movement and handling are getting smarter too. RFID tagging and automated tracking are improving inventory accuracy and ensuring that parts and products are exactly where they need to be, when they need to be there. And it's not just large manufacturers seeing these gains. Smaller and mid-sized firms are discovering that advanced technology is no longer out of reach. With new tools becoming more accessible and scalable, intelligent operations are leveling the playing field. At the heart of all this progress lies one essential ingredient: data. AI thrives on it. Intelligent workflows depend on it. But it has to be the right kind of data, standardized, high quality, and integrated across systems. With reliable data environments, manufacturers can enable real-time decision-making, accurate demand forecasting, and predictive analytics that keep production running smoothly. What's most exciting is how these improvements ripple throughout the supply chain. Intelligent operations aren't just improving manufacturing outputs, they're enabling better collaboration from production all the way to delivery. The result is a more resilient, responsive supply chain that can manage demand changes, supplier challenges, and market shifts with agility. So what does this mean for manufacturers today? It means the path forward is clear. Companies that invest in intelligent operations are building not just smarter factories, but stronger businesses. They're optimizing every process, empowering their workforce, and setting a new standard for what modern manufacturing can achieve. Intelligent operations aren't about replacing the human element. They're about creating an environment where technology supports human expertise, where every insight, every adjustment, and every decision is backed by real-time intelligence. It's about elevating manufacturing to a place where profit and precision go hand in hand. If you're ready to take that next step, if you're ready to transform your operations and unlock the potential of your plant, the time is now. Because the manufacturers embracing intelligent operations today are the ones shaping the industry of tomorrow. If this conversation about intelligent manufacturing sparked new ideas for your operation, don't let them stay ideas. Visit automationdistribution.com to explore automation solutions built to elevate your workflow, precision, and profitability. Subscribe to the Automation Distribution Podcast for more insights that help manufacturers lead with innovation. And let's build the future of intelligent operations together.